Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the width margin of a strip in your Wix site. This is a really useful skill to have when you're looking to create more visually balanced layouts and control exactly how your content is divided across your page. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the specific site you want to work on. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is actually the website you wish to adjust a margin on a strip for. It's always good to double-check before making changes, especially if you manage multiple sites. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway into the editor where all the design magic happens. Go ahead and click it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you have full control over your site's design elements. Look for the Add Elements button located on the left navigation menu and click on it. When you do, you'll be presented with all the elements you can use to customize your Wix website. There's a lot here, but we're focusing on strips today. From the Add Elements menu, locate the Strips option and click on it. Strips are horizontal sections that span the width of your page, and they're perfect for organizing content. Now locate the type of strip you wish to adjust a margin width for and drag it onto your website canvas. The strip will appear and you can position it wherever you need it. Once the strip is added, start by adding at least 3 columns to your strip. This step is important because it allows you to properly preview the margin division and see how your changes affect the layout. With multiple columns in place, you'll get a much clearer picture of how the margins are working. Once the columns are added, simply click on the strip element itself. You'll see various options appear, and from these, click on the Layout option. From here, you'll see sample proportions that divide the strip columns automatically. These are preset options that Wix provides for quick formatting. However, if you want more control, you can use the Customize Proportions feature. This option lets you use percentages on each column, giving you precise control over exactly how wide each section should be. Adjust the percentages until you achieve the margin width that works best for your design. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the width margin of a strip in your Wix site, giving you better control over your layout and how content is displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.